All right, end of week 4. The bumpiest week we've probably had so far. There's been a few things that have happened, but it's been good. We've had lots of wet weather, so much rain, heaps and heaps of rain. We're constantly getting all the water off the tarp to make sure that the parts of the house that we're not building in don't get wet. We've had a few delays, but we did get a few things done. So one of the things we got done this week was we did this highlight window there, framed all that out. That'll be really good because the lounge room area is pretty dark. So we want to make sure that we've got a nice north facing window. And also when we do the porch, now when that porch gets done, it's going to make that even darker as well. So we also did the decking just around over here. We just finished up the patching around there and down the side here. And finally, because of the timber shortage, we finally have our roof trusses. The roof trusses are in. So this was Thursday, Friday, and I was lifting them on my own, and it was very, very heavy. They were very, very heavy indeed. So they're all up and they are all leveled. We've packed them down in some spots. We've packed them up because this house is not really level in some spots. But the top story is very, very level now. So a lot of work went into that, but it looks really good. And then because it's the end of the day, Saturday today, we did get a tree cut down. And the reason this tree had to get cut down was because it was full of termites. So it was really, really bad. And there's a few photos I'll show you of that because some of the termite holes were huge. But this big tree that was right up here is now gone. And it's been split and stacked. So yeah, big week. It's been really, really great. So next week we are getting yellow tongue in. We're doing the flooring and it's just a lot of new timber going in. Again, like last week, not as much demo, which is really great. And the place just smells beautiful. It smells like freshly cut timber and it's a great feeling, great smell. So yeah, so like I said at the beginning of the week, beginning of the video, bumpy week, but it's been really productive. So as always, I will finish the video with some highlights from the week and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Some timber. Delivery didn't work. Gotta get some timber. It's doing well. Fixing the deck. done.